Cancer, this reading is here to reassure you that all the care, dedication, and emotional intelligence you've been applying in your life are fully aligned with your soul's purpose. Even if things have felt uncertain or emotionally heavy, Spirit wants you to know that your path is unfolding exactly as it should. This is about trust. Trusting your instincts, emotional awareness, and the intuitive guidance you naturally follow. When your heart and mind feel aligned, you are moving in the right direction. You may have faced emotional ups and downs, delays, or uncertainty, but these were never meant to block your growth. They've helped you refine your discernment, strengthen your resilience, and develop clarity about what truly matters in your journey. This is Aira. Let's explore the cards that confirm your path and reveal why your journey is unfolding perfectly. The first oracle card is emotional grounding. Cancer, emotional grounding shows that your ability to stay centered and balanced amidst challenges is creating a stable foundation for your life. Your sensitivity, empathy, and emotional awareness are now strengths that guide your actions in alignment with your purpose. This card confirms that the patience, self-care, and reflection you've practiced are paying off. Your ability to process emotions consciously ensures that your decisions are thoughtful, intentional, and aligned with your highest good. Emotional grounding reminds you that stability comes from within. By managing your emotions wisely and trusting your inner guidance, you create a secure foundation for growth and alignment. Recognizing this truth allows you to continue moving forward confidently, knowing that your emotional intelligence and balance are key factors in the success of your path. The second oracle card is clarity of vision. Clarity of vision shows that your perspective, insight, and understanding of your goals are becoming sharper. You can see your path more clearly now, and your intuition is guiding your choices with precision. This karmic truth emphasizes the importance of discernment. By understanding what aligns with your values and long-term goals, you can act with confidence and avoid distractions or situations that no longer serve you. Clarity of vision reassures you that past confusion or uncertainty was necessary. It prepared you to identify opportunities, recognize patterns, and make choices that align perfectly with your purpose. Recognizing this truth empowers you to act decisively, knowing that your vision is clear and your decisions reflect both wisdom and alignment. The third oracle card is momentum in motion. Momentum in motion signals that the consistent care, attention, and effort you've invested are now generating visible results. The energy you've dedicated to your growth, relationships, and responsibilities is starting to create tangible forward movement. This card confirms that your patience and persistence are paying off. Even small, careful steps contribute to meaningful outcomes, and the alignment of your efforts is now becoming noticeable. Momentum in motion also teaches trust in the timing of your journey. Progress may have been slow or subtle, but it has been deliberate, allowing you to build a strong, lasting foundation. Recognizing this truth allows you to maintain focus and dedication, knowing that your path is moving forward and your efforts are bearing fruit. The fourth oracle card is Trust in Divine Timing. Trust in divine timing reassures you that every pause, delay, or unexpected twist has a purpose. Each experience has contributed to preparing you for the next stage of growth, ensuring your progress is sustainable and aligned. This karmic truth emphasizes patience. By trusting the timing of your path, you honor the lessons, experiences, and growth that have brought you to this moment. Trust in divine timing also encourages letting go of control. When you release the need to force outcomes, you allow opportunities and support to flow naturally toward you. Recognizing this truth allows you to move forward calmly, confident that your journey is unfolding perfectly and that every step brings you closer to your highest purpose. The fifth oracle card is Validation of Efforts. Cancer. This card confirms that all the care, emotional labor, and attention you've poured into your life are being recognized by the universe and by those who resonate with your journey. Every thoughtful action, every choice to nurture, protect, or grow yourself and others has created meaningful results. Validation of efforts teaches that recognition doesn't always appear immediately. Often, it is the consistent, steady work behind the scenes that produces the most significant and lasting outcomes. Your patience, empathy, and dedication are now beginning to show their impact. This karmic truth also emphasizes internal validation. Trust yourself, acknowledge your own growth, and honor the choices you've made with integrity. Your awareness of your progress is a strong confirmation that you are on the right path. Recognizing this truth allows you to move forward with confidence, knowing that your efforts are not in vain, and that your energy is manifesting results in perfect alignment with your life's purpose. The sixth oracle card is support from the universe. Support from the universe reassures you that unseen forces, guidance, and timely opportunities are actively aligning to help you progress. Even if outcomes aren't immediately visible, Spirit is orchestrating circumstances in your favor behind the scenes. This karmic truth emphasizes trust. You are not navigating your path alone. Energy, synchronicities, and support are flowing toward you, assisting your focus, intuition, and actions. Your awareness of these signs, timely coincidences, and helpful encounters strengthens your confidence. Each nudge from the universe confirms that you are moving in alignment with your purpose. Recognizing this truth empowers you to continue taking deliberate steps, knowing that the universe is actively supporting your journey and guiding you toward the next right move. The seventh oracle card is alignment of opportunities. Alignment of opportunities indicates that circumstances, people, and possibilities are now positioning themselves perfectly to match your energy, intentions, and goals. Doors that once seemed closed are opening in ways that feel natural and supportive. This karmic truth emphasizes discernment. Not every opportunity is right for you, but those that resonate and feel aligned are exactly what you need to grow and move forward. Alignment of opportunities also highlights the importance of preparation. Your past efforts, patience, and thoughtful actions have positioned you to recognize and step into these opportunities with confidence and clarity. Recognizing this truth allows you to act decisively, knowing that the opportunities presenting themselves are in perfect harmony with your path and your highest potential. The eighth oracle card is Power of Choices. Power of Choices reminds you that the decisions you make now have a significant impact on the trajectory of your journey. Your actions reflect clarity, discernment, and understanding of what truly matters for your growth and alignment. This karmic truth emphasizes empowerment and accountability. Every choice, big or small, contributes to shaping your life in alignment with your values, purpose, and highest good. Power of Choices also highlights self-trust. By making conscious, intentional decisions, you reinforce the progress, clarity, and momentum that your consistent effort has built. Recognizing this truth allows you to continue moving forward with confidence and purpose. Each choice confirms that your path is correct and that your careful, thoughtful actions are fully supporting your journey. Affirmation for you: I trust my path and my choices. Every step I take aligns with my highest purpose. The universe supports me and opportunities flow toward me naturally. I move forward with confidence, clarity, and trust in my journey. Personal sessions start at $9 to confirm your path, clarify alignment, and reveal actionable next steps in career, relationships, finances, and life. For ongoing guidance, including long-term support, clarity, and alignment, the $99 monthly membership provides continuous access to insights and practical tools. Cancer, your path is confirmed. Your emotional intelligence, patience, and careful actions are creating exactly the life and success you are meant to experience.